Hey guys, I had a good Saturday this morning. Went out to a couple of sales calls. One was a full system along with a freestanding gas fireplace he wants installed. Looks like a slam dunk. He's already got the money in place. He knows what it's going to cost. So looks like I'll probably get that one. And then the second one I went to was electric furnace. He wants to get a whole new heat pump system, so it'll be air handler, heat pump, everything. Pretty much got that one. He knows what it costs. I just got to write it up. So both of them should just be formalities. So selling 2 jobs on a Saturday is great, and I'm happy. And then the last call I went to was a heat pump. It was just a simple cap and go. Just replaced the run capacitor for the blower motor. In and out in about 15 minutes. Real nice couple up there, up on the hill. Excuse me, I just ate a bunch of food. So anyway, things are looking good. A couple things to note, guys. If you haven't hit that subscribe button, please do. And then I'm going to have a live stream tonight around 6 o'clock. I'm trying to do that every Wednesday and Saturday at 6 p.m. And also in today's video, I've showed you some of the beauty of our surrounding areas. The place I went to the top of this butte, 360-degree view. That's just awesome. So enjoy the video, enjoy the sceneries. I got some mountain views that I showed you, and then also this awesome lake that I used to live right next to. So enjoy today's video. I appreciate you guys watching, and enjoy the rest of your weekend. Good morning, guys. Seton HVAC here. It is Saturday, November 16th, 2024. Got a real, sorry, morning raspy voice like usual. I got a real packed day today. I have 2 sales calls, one for a full system and one for a heat pump replacement. And then I also have a service call, no heat on a heat pump. I'm gonna go check that out. They're all in the same area, so I worked it out pretty good today. And then if I have time, I got a customer who I did a full system on his other house. He now lives in a new house that he wants to get his vent pipe cleaned out. So it's a pellet stove that's got just 4-inch B vent on it, and those will cake up with soot and crap, and can be potentially not draft properly, vent properly, if you don't clean them. And I do have like my dryer. I have a brush that I can use, and I can get to most of the pipe, so I could even just take it apart and clean it, down on the ground. So I might go check that out. But anyway, yeah, a nice busy Saturday. I probably won't get much footage of the sales calls, just because I like to respect the customer and not be secretly recording them during that. But I will let you know how everything goes, how I feel about it. Oh, I also wanted to mention I got a new a technique I'm going to try today. I don't normally ask customers what their budget is, but I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to start asking them if they have a number in their mind, if they have, basically if they have a span in their mind, of the cost of what they think it might be. That way I'm not wasting their time, because, let's say I go out on this full system and they think it's going to be $10,000 to $15,000, and I already know it's going to be 20, 25, 30, depending on what type of system and how elaborate we get with it. So, if we're $10,000 apart, I'm not going to waste their time. I'm going to say, well, I can't do it for that. Thanks for your time, etc. So, I think it's a good way to approach it. And I do ask that sometimes. So I think I'm going to make it a rule. Just I go waste my time on a lot of things and then never hear back from them. It's probably because they had a lower number in their mind, a lower budget. So anyway, I'll try to get you some shots today. And yeah, enjoy. All right, guys, I'll let you know how my 2 sales calls and service calls went. But I came up here. It's a place called Round Butte. It's a little hill that it's got a 360 view of all the mountains around here. Just a beautiful spot to come. Just brought my truck up here. I'm just right down the street. Was my last service call. But look at this. We got the storm front coming in. You can see all the mountains. There's Mount Jefferson right there. He's you can see, you can tell when a front's coming in. The clouds are just covering just the top of these mountains. Let me go to the other side. Let me get up higher so you can see the rest of this. This is all part of working over here in the Pacific Northwest, guys. There's all the other mountains over there, just obscured by the clouds. Then if you go to the other side, this is the dry side. So that's Gray Butte. That's the butte I can see from my house, which is way over there. Look at this. Mountains all around. It's the Hvac Mountains over there. They get lots of snow too, but it is the drier side. Pretty cool, huh? I'll go 360 for you. Gotta love it. There's Mount Jefferson again. And then that's the Three Sisters there that are obscured. You can't really see it well today. On a crystal clear day, this is really breathtaking. Awesome. Love it. Alright, just want to show you that. I'll give you guys the skinny on these calls I had today when I get on the road. Sorry I didn't get any footage, but I had helicopters all day. Okay guys, coming down off the hill here. I mean, look at this area. It's awesome. Let me get that phone position better. I'm gonna stop up here real quick and show you guys this lake. It's called Lake Billy Chinook. Look it up. Lake Billy Chinook, Oregon. Beautiful big lake. We got a few rivers that dump into it: the Deschutes, the Crooked River, and the Metolius River. There's a community over there called Three Rivers, hence the Three Rivers. So pretty cool. I'll stop and show you. Let's see if I can get you some better shots of these mountains and stuff over here. It's just beautiful today. With this storm front coming in, we got the high cloud layer here, just making the landscape look awesome. So let me talk to you about my 2 sales calls today. Pretty much slam dunks. They want me to do it. I verbally told them the price and everything, so it's just a matter of typing it up. Here, let me shift that over so it's up higher. There we go. That's Juniper Butte straight ahead. So many buttes and mountains around here. But anyway, first one is going to be a full ductless system, a 4-zone. They want one in the living room, one in each of the bedrooms, 3 bedrooms. And then I'm also going to do a gas fireplace for them. I'm going to do duct exhaust off of a heat pump water heater, so they can have it, you know, free cooling in the summertime. In the winter, you know, obviously you want it exhausting somewhere else. So I'm going to pump it into the attic. What else? That's pretty much it on that one. But yeah, that's pretty much slam dunk work. The guy's got his financing in place. He took out an equity loan, a home equity loan, so he's got the cash in hand, and he knows what it's going to cost. That's a slam dunk. And the second one, I told him the price. It's a heat pump change out. It's actually, he has an electric furnace now. We're going to pull that old air handler out because it's 20 plus years old. Where I'm going to do a Bosch 20 SEER for him. He knows what it's going to cost. So that's a done deal there. And then this service call I was just at was a cap and go, which I always love. Just needed a 5 microfarad capacitor for the fan motor. Got him going in about 5-10 minutes, and he's happy. So I'm gonna go ahead and get on back, and I'm gonna show you some views of this lake. So stay tuned. All right, guys, as promised, here's that lake. Look at this place. It's amazing. And look what's just above it. I mean, on a clear day, that's Mount Jefferson there. Oh man, it's beautiful out here. Look at this place. Let me scan this out so you can see the whole thing. Yeah, look at that. We got one lone boat down there. Hope he's catching some fish. Pretty awesome, huh? Look at this place. I was just up there. That was Round Butte I was on. Pretty awesome. All right. There's that boat down there, if you can see it.